What's up YouTube? So I'm back at it again with another video, and this video is about the July box for Boxycharm. I'm going to be going over all of the products that I received this month, and the second half of the video is going to be me trying them on. I'm basically going to do a whole look. So this look using all of the Boxycharm products, and I'm going to go ahead and go over them. So for this month, I got this Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And this is how it looks. And I don't have the card that has all the prices on them. My daughter lost it, so I'm gonna be putting everything in the description, how much it is, and the name and company it's from. And this is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage. So you just put this under your eye, either after you wash your face or under your makeup. Let me go back to this actually. This is the eyebrow cream, and I really like this. At first I was kind of iffy about it because it's like that. It's like a little like cream eyebrow product, and it looked really dry, but it went on really smooth. Really like this product. And so the Needles No More Baggage, looking at under my eye, it helped my makeup not crease. This setting powder is okay. It doesn't really do a job on not letting it crease. So when I put this under, I see a difference. It doesn't crease at all, maybe like a little bit like natural creases, but this smoothed it out under my eyes. So I really like this product. The next product we have Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and this is how it looks. And here is the wand for it. That's how it looks. And I like this one. I didn't use it by itself, so I'm not too sure on how it works. But when I used it to combine my falsies and my real eyelashes, it did the job. It curled them really nice, and so far they're staying up. So I like that product too. Again, Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume Mascara. So next we're going to the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with Argan Oil and a Desert Rose. So here's the package, and this is how it looks. And it's the color. It comes with a little brush and a mirror. I thought this blush was okay. It kind of reminded me of a blush that I have already, so I wasn't too excited about this. It was an okay color. The next product is the Crown Pro palette. It has really pretty colors. So I have some marks right there. I kept digging my pinky in it on accident, but the colors are really nice. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's not as pigmented as I want it to be. So, you know, this look I feel would be more intense if the pigment was right. I kept putting on product and putting it on, and it kind of seemed to be not strong in color. So that's the only downfall about that palette. But if you want to see this look, how I got this look, just keep on watching. And if you like the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content from me, then please subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell, and we'll get into the video. Thank you for watching. After you put on the concealer and set it, I'm going to go into the Crown Pro palette, grab that burgundy reddish color, and I'm going to pop it into my crease. You want to blend it as much as possible. The pigment isn't too strong, so just sweep it back and forth into your crease. Next, I'm going to go in with that brown color and I'm going to pop it in the crease again. And I'm just diffusing that color, making it a little softer, not as burgundy, and just keep on blending. Once you have that light brown in, you're going to go in with a darker brown and a medium brown, and you're going to pop it on the outer V and the inner corner. Kind of making a halo effect. And once you're done with that, you're gonna go in with a darker brown and you're gonna put it on those same two spots. Once you put concealer on in the center of your eye with a flat brush, you're going to grab another flat brush and grab that shimmer shade, and you're going to pack it all over the concealer area. Once you pack on all that shimmer shade, you're going to go in with a small fluffy brush and those two brown shades, and you're just going to connect those outer parts into your crease. Then with that same brush we used for the crease, we're going to grab that burgundy and that dark shimmer shade, and you're just going to pop it into your crease and blend. Afterwards, I'm just going back to the center of my lid and adding that same color and that bottom shimmer shade and just pack it on until you like how it looks. And then with another flat brush, I'm going to take that white shimmer shade and pop it into my tear duct area. And it wasn't working for me, so I used my finger to pack it on, and it became more vibrant. Then afterwards, you're just gonna clean up the sides and blend any other spots that need to be blended.